Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable Incognito Mode in the 4 most popular web browsers on your Samsung Galaxy M04. So the first one is Opera. In the Opera, just click here on the taskbar icon, switch to the private and add a tab. Now the Microsoft Edge. Exactly same like before, click the taskbar icon, switch to the in private and add a tab. The next one is Firefox. In the Firefox on this welcoming screen, just click here on the zero mask, and if the background is purple, that means you are in the incognito mode, but if you have any tab opened, click on the taskbar icon, switch to the zero mask and add a tab. And the last one, Google Chrome, most popular. Click here on the arrow icon or three-dot icon, choose new incognito tab, and that's it. Your history, completed forms, the cookies files, even the words from the keyboard will be not saved. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.